You did it! Congratulations! This was a big section. Can you believe this is only your second website in Django? Think about everything that we learned. The biggest thing by far were databases. You had no idea how to work with models or the admin interface. That's all now a skill for you. You may not be perfectly comfortable with it, but you had that challenge where you did it on the blog by yourself. We also learned about static files, media files. We learned how to extend templates. And we learned about URLs, how we can, pass forward to say, send all the blog URLs over here. Lots of different things. I know you're saying, whew, I need a break. And that's what you're getting, because we're not going to be learning Django in the next section. We're going to be learning how to take our creation and share it with the world, which, what does it matter if, we make something that lives on our computer? We got to get it out there so that other people can check it out. But I just like to say, give yourself a nice pat on the back. You've really worked hard. Let's go ahead and have some fun uploading this site to the web.